Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by fixing the easy but critical items. Set your computer clock and time zone correctly because SSL trusts depend on time. Once done, restart Chrome and open an incognito window to rule out extension interference. Make sure to read and remember the exact error message or code you see. This tells you whether it's a certificate mismatch, expired cert, or attacker warning. You'll act on that diagnosis next, so collect these facts now and proceed to deeper checks. You now inspect the certificate chain to find the root cause. Click the padlock, view the certificate, and check issuer, validity dates, and domain match. If a corporate VPN or antivirus intercepts HTTPS, disable it briefly because they can present a private certificate. Once done, clear local DNS cache and retry, run ipconfig/flushtons, or restart network interfaces. If the cert looks valid but error persists, test the site from another network or device to separate local issues from server-side problems. You finish by either resolving the server certificate or safely bypassing for testing. If the site cert is expired or mismatched, contact the administrator and don't send passwords until fixed. For local trust problems, update Chrome and your operating system's root certificates or reinstall the browser to restore defaults. Only use the advanced right arrow proceed link as a temporary diagnostic step and make sure to undo any bypasses. If things go wrong, clear Chrome profile or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.